People often ask me, how do I begin? How do I start a painting? Because usually they look at one of my works and they see that it's fairly complex, and so they wonder, well, where do you start? How do you begin? And that sort of thing. And really, how it starts for me is it's an internal process. So starting a new painting, it's this intense process of all kinds of things coming together. It's not something that I could actually show or even describe well. I'm afraid. So sorry about that. But it's a pretty involved process, and it happens over a long period of time. And how I experience it also is one of the components is that each painting is called in by the desires of other people to see and experience beauty the way I do. So I wouldn't really say that they're channeled, as in channeled from like somewhere else. It's more like the channel. We all are, in a sense, channels and transmitters of energy. So, these words, we could really get lost in them. So let me simplify it. The painting wants to come through. There are beings on the other end who are wanting to see beauty in this world and desiring to see through the eyes of beauty. And that's my specialty in my own way. So that current is something I'm tapped into because I want to see beauty in this world. I desire to see through the eyes of beauty, and that's how I kind of go about life, Even if you stand in front of me long enough, I will see your beauty. I'll see the truth in you. So the painting that I'm working on right now, two pieces came before it to sort of pave the way for this one. And this one has aspects of the other two, but needed to come third in this series of 3 paintings.